As a boy growing up in Delhi, you used to come for holidays.
Yeah.
And all.
We used to go, Papa ke saath, we used to go to Fujiya,
Okay.
which was a Chinese restaurant.
Yeah, I when I compare Khana Mumbai ka or Delhi ka, Delhi always seems to come up on number one on all North Indian sort of food.
Butter
But you
chicken,
can,
sikh kebab, the whole thing. आप लोग?
मैं तो खाऊंगा लेकिन आप टेस्ट करो.
So this I used to have when we were in boarding school. There was a tuck shop there, and that's where I started to like aloo ki tikki.
Aloo ki tikki.
That was the only thing available, really.
Is this in Dune School, Dehradun?
But it was very good.
But this is, you see, conceptually, and we had this conversation earlier, this is full of carbs, but delicious as hell, isn't it? गोलगप्पे हो गए, आलू टिक्की हो गई, typically Delhi, अब सामने जाते हैं, not too sweets, and with that छोले भटूरे. चले? Let's go.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you, Ji. You are liking it. I can see you are liking this one.
I like it. वो उधर खाना चाहते हैं छोले भटूरे.
जैसे कहते हैं जब आदमी खाना खा रहा है उसको कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना चाहिए खाने पर. सॉरी थोड़ा जगह दो प्लीज. अरे मेरे को ही धक्का दे रहे हो.
This धक्का मुक्की है.
I know. This is an interview which is going to be tougher than any political interview you've given.
Those are generally easy.
Those are easy, okay. Question. Fine tea or coffee?
Morning I have coffee, evening I have tea.
French desserts, Indian mithai.
Indian mithai.
Indian mithai, na? Do you prefer sweet foods or spicy foods?
Sweet.
Oh, the man after my own heart. Sweet food.
No.
Is there any politician who makes great food? Who?
Lalu Yadav ji makes great food.
But you got to go to Patna for that.
Now he doesn't, but
Yeah.
even in Delhi.
आपने तो पूरे देश की यात्रा की है. आपने बहुत जगह खाना खाया होगा. If I was to ask you 3 top cuisines in the country, which you have eaten on your journey, what would you say?
I like generally South Indian food. I like Punjab. I like chole bhatura, their parathas.
We've just come from a trip from Amritsar and we have eaten kulchas on the road.
Near the Golden Temple.
Near the Golden Temple.
Whenever I go there, I get.
You get kulchas. The amount of ghee and butter that goes on to a kulcha is not good for my heart at least. But you're fitter than I am, so can yeah, please.
But the best cook among all of us is my mother.
Is she?
And my sister won't like it. But
She's
number 2.
She's number 2.
I'm number 3.
And number 3? Okay.
Distant number 3.
I'm not a bad cook, but I tend not to cook क्योंकि अकेले खाने में कुछ मज़ा नहीं आता. अरे बेदनी आलू. चलो शुरू करें खाना थोड़ा सा.
I learned to make that.
You learn to make this कहाँ?
एक सर्विसमैन हमारे दोस्त बने यात्रा पे,
हाँ.
तो उन्होंने सिखाया.
अच्छा, I'm going to try some of this. You're, if I may use the word, fitness freak, aren't you?
No, I wouldn't say fitness freak. I'd say that I pay attention to my health and fitness a little bit.
Okay, things I should learn from you.
I've got a rule that I'll spend an hour a day exercising.
1 hour a day. Maybe I should learn a few things, and maybe I'll look a little more like you. ऐसे नहीं कह सकता कि मैं काफ़ी मोटा था क्योंकि मैं अभी भी मोटा ही हूँ. लेकिन नहीं, I like this man.
नहीं.
No.
आप मोटे नहीं हैं.
लेकिन
आप हेल्दी कहते हैं.
हेल्दी बच्चा.
नहीं, आप मोटे नहीं.
नहीं, मैंने लॉकडाउन में थोड़ा इट वाज अ बैड टाइम फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस एंड थोड़ा डिप्रेशन में जाकर मैंने बहुत सारा खाना खाया. बहुत मोटा हो गया था. एंड आई लॉस्ट 20 kilos, 21.5 kilos to be exact, by just controlling quantities of food. और मैंने ज़्यादा करके wheat और मैदा छोड़ दिया. But if I was to ask you, what is your favorite dish?
I mean, तंदूरी चिकन,
हाँ,
मोती महल,
And tandoori chicken is healthy as well. This
Butter chicken.
it's my favorite of all time.
You're not eating much, huh? You're making me eat a lot.
Wait,
He's clever.
you can
No wonder you're losing weight.
you can afford to eat. I'm used. Oh God, he's caught me out.
So-
what can I say? Haan.
Tell me about when you were young. What was the food like?
So I come from a very small community. Oh my God! Thank you. Look at this. I come from a small community in Maharashtra. It's called the Pathare Prabhus, and we are a Mumbai community. And our food is predominantly seafood because we are a coastal people. But I have been passionate about eating, cooking, and just generally discovering food for a very long time. Nothing like a good solid lassi. They say that bachelors eat terrible food at home. I'm unmarried. You're yet to be married. I know everybody's asked you this question, and I will not ask you this question. But is it who cooks at home for you?
I live separately.
Okay,
My sister lives separately and my mother lives separately.
separately. Okay.
So it's either I go to my mom's house or I go to my sister's house for the most part.
Yeah.
And then sometimes I'll eat in my house.
And really late at night, you come back from a long day at work. What would you do?
No, I just
12 baje
I make myself
ek-
omelette or something.
Okay, an omelette. Makes an omelette. I do burjis. So
I can do that.
You can do burji. Yeah. So
All sorts of eggs and stuff.
yeah. Eggs is it's the greatest.
My nephew will tell you I make one of the best omelettes.
Does he? Yeah.
I've always heard about Bombay street food culture and stuff like that. Never really had the chance to spend some time exploring it.
My word to you, the next time you come, we will take you to 2-3 really nice places. We've got you a little street food from Mumbai. What Mumbai is iconically known for, which is a vada pav. And I've flown it all the way from Mumbai for you. Can we get the yeah.
So this is just pure carbohydrate.
It's carbohydrate upon carbohydrate upon carbohydrate. It's the tastiest.
Very good.
Is it nice, no? I like the way he's eating. We've had lots of guests on this show, and I must say, very few eat as passionately as you do. Are you hungry for more?
I'm not going to have dinner, sir.
No, you're having dinner with me.
No, but I'm not going to have
Dinner at home.
Dinner at home.
So let's stuff ourselves. Let's fill our faces right now. और मैं पुरानी दिल्ली जाना चाहता हूँ. पुरानी दिल्ली का खाना is iconic. सब बात करते हैं. And I think we should go there because the chicken tikka and the tandoori chicken is very good. Besides the chicken white, and I can now rattle the whole menu off in front of you right now.
Is that one of your favorite places?
It is. It is one of my favorite places. I would like to go there and let's go eat with you. जाए क्या? Okay.
Look, I have to say this.
You just won the whole of Mumbai over.
That's number one and that's number two.
Okay. Number 1 vada pav.
Number one, vada pav.
Number 2 chole bhature. Chole bhature.
And number three, that one.
And number 4. तो हम पहुंच गए हैं पुरानी दिल्ली में. जगह का नाम है अल जवाहर और अल जवाहर की कहानी बहुत अच्छी है. आप बताओ या मैं बताऊं?
आप बताइए.
मैं बताऊं तो अल जवाहर 1948 में शुरुआत हुआ इस रेस्टोरेंट का. एंड राहुल ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru inaugurated this place, and it is named after him. Yeah, and because Rahul said he loves tandoori
Tandoori
chicken, healthy tandoori chicken, I brought you here. Yeah, please start. लेकिन राहुल, आपने thank you जी. And you know this man is into health because he's taken the best piece, which is the healthier.
Can I give you some of this?
Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you. So, Rahul, while we were driving here, you
Yeah.
said something very interesting about this area, about the fact that it is like living history.
Thinking about what this place would have been a couple of hundred years ago. And I think the food and the drinks and stuff that are being served here would probably have been served 200-300 years ago. as well.
Absolutely,
I'm
yes.
sure people ate that
Yeah.
a couple hundred years
Some
ago. here.
some form of this
Yeah.
cooked on a on a fire. The history with tandoor itself, which sort of comes from the Afghanistan heritage, was only meant for breads.
Acha.
It's only when during partition, when the Punjabis came and settled in Delhi, that they decided to put a chicken inside that tandoor and see what happens to it. And look what they did. But you're right. This area, even 500 years ago, was probably as crowded. What do you think of the chicken?
Excellent.
You like spicy
Very good.
food? It's quite spicy, isn't it?
Reasonable. I can't eat too much, but this is very good.
This is one of my favorite forms of kebab. This mutton seekh kebab.
Can I have half?
Yeah, we'll have half.